Okay, we got this product from Terry's, and it says white on it, and then it says orange. And excuse me, I'm not allergic to it, I don't think. Let's open it up. Take a look. It's got high saturated fat and a little cholesterol. And I don't really know what this is. So Terry's. Looks nice. Peel this off. Yeah, I guess that's the way it, just peel the top off. And then you got something that looks like, and if I say onion, everybody's going to laugh at me because this isn't an onion. So I think this is something that, do we need that knife to cut this up?
No, just pull one of those out.
Pull one of those out, okay.
Yeah, maybe hit it against the table.
Like this?
Yeah. Did I loosen anything?
Yeah, the table. So we got look like a little orange stripe here. That's probably why they call it orange.
Chocolate, orange, white chocolate.
Yeah. So white chocolate and orange, like the orange thing, and then the white chocolate. So I guess the whole thing. Oh, I see. I see. It's white chocolate, but with an orange flavor. This is kind of unique. This is something. And you can take one little slice, and then you still got a whole bunch left for later.
Oh.
So I take it once the one slice is out, you can get the next slice out easier.
Yeah, it makes it a lot easier all
Okay.
of a sudden.
Yeah, so this doesn't taste too bad. That's the reason for the high fat. Is that white chocolate, but yeah, it tastes beautiful. It's something else. Show you the package again. Sherry's white chocolate orange flavor. Sometimes you got to take the plunge and not worry so much about the facts on the back of the thing. So this is kind of a unique product, and if you're gonna maybe ease up on the strict health regimen you're on, and you want to jump off the wagon for a little while, maybe this might be the thing to do it with. Because you don't have to eat the whole thing. You got to work for what you get on this thing. Go slice by slice, and it might be a nice little treat to take a break from work or something. So yeah, this is I'm really enamored over this product.